Today we are making a solar system. So for that we would need paint brushes, and some flat sticks and some foaming balls. Let's start. So we're gonna put some foaming balls in some box so they don't roll away. Let's start painting the sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Now I'm gonna color the sun yellow and I'll spray it everywhere. When it dries, then I will put the orange color. For Mercury, I would need a nice gray color, so I would use black and white to make it a nice gray color. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. You know, on Venus, every day is a cloudy day. Now I'm going to color the Earth and it's going to be blue and green. You know, Mars is a red planet, but it's not hot. It's a cold planet. It has volcanoes and valleys. Mixing color to create a new color is so much fun. I really enjoyed it. The sun is dry. Now I'm going to put some orange color and so it can look realistic. For the base, I used black color paint. Then I cut a cardboard. Then I colored it black. So I'll glue the base right onto the circle of the cardboard. Now I'll put the sun on the middle of the base. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Venus is the second planet. Earth is our third planet on our solar system, and it's the only one that has life, and it only has one moon. Mars is the fourth planet, and it has 2 moons. Jupiter is the biggest planet and has 63 moons. Saturn's ring is made out of ice and it has 62 moons. Uranus also has a ring and it has 27 moons. Neptune is made out of liquid and it has 14 moons. Pluto is the smallest planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are all the rocky planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are all the gas planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets in our solar system. Circle around the sun, circle around the sun. These planets circle around the sun. The sun. This is our solar system. I hope you like my solar system model. Thanks for watching.